I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback, but we bounced on the lower time frame. We're going to talk about possibilities for Bitcoin. So again, completely normal to see retraces to these levels, right? All the buyers are sitting right here just waiting to jump in, okay? So could there be more downside? Potentially. What we don't want to see for Bitcoin is, you got this rising wedge, right? There's a 68% chance that this breaks lower. What you don't want to see is it run up into this level, which is was key support. See how it was key support? The price action bounced here, bounced here, bounced here, right? So this was the floor. Now it's the ceiling. So if the price action runs up, hits the ceiling and gets rejected, you're looking for a move to the downside, to the low of the range, right? Potentially Bitcoin could just be forming this range again like it did previously. Okay. And you could see a move down here to 53,658. All right. What you want to do, and what's made me so successful in this market, is understanding when to open positions and when to close positions, right? So opening positions for me would happen if I saw a breakout and retest of this level. At least the move would start there. Now, at the same time, like when you look at trading these altcoins on Kucoin, like insane profits, if Bitcoin's just in this trading range, you're going to get amazing altcoin trading. We're going to talk a little bit about Web 3.0, something new on the horizon potentially. We've had a DeFi rally a while ago, NFTs, metaverse. Web 3.0 could be the next hype factor. I already think gaming has, a ton of upside in the future. However, these coins cool off and potentially we see things pivot other directions. And so we have to understand that if you follow the money flow in this market, you'll make a tremendous amount of money. You cannot sit in stale coins and expect to make exponential profits, right? If you have a small bag, $1,000, $2,000, $500, whatever, you've got to make it count. You can't just sit and hold ADA. Well, it does nothing. And all these other coins are 5Xing. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he made $180,000 in the last 6 weeks. He'd be at $1 million, but he bought his house and land cash for $350,000. This guy came into the group. He's learned. He's been very successful, and I'm super proud of him. This person, he made $34,000 on Reap in 2 weeks. We killed this setup. $90,000 he's made since September. There are 5,700, I think there's 5,730 people in the trading group now for a reason. This person has been with me for a while. He's up 404%. If you are not making a tremendous amount of money in this market, I can help you. Join my trading group. I'm going to make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups daily. I'm going to extend the Black Friday deal one more day because we've had so many grateful people joining. We've got a Black Friday sale. If you sign up for 6 months or 12 months, it's 60% off paid crypto. Get a $100 discount off 6 or 12 months in crypto. Banging. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorevnet. Pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Look, this is basic attention token. This thing has had crazy price action recently, up 115%. We nailed it, right? Previously, back here it was posted, we're up a couple 100%. You 2 extra money on BAT if you traded with us. Look, this is wild, up 220%. This is UOS, 325% gains. You've got to hit these multiples and then there's small caps, period. Fear and greed index. People are scared. Extreme fear. You want to talk about Bitcoin reversal ideas? It happens down here. Could be lower, could stay down here for a while, but market reversals happen when there's extreme fear. One concern that I have is there's a panic situation, new variants, and if stocks tank, traditional markets tank next week, continue to slide, you could see Bitcoin continue to sell off based on this idea. So pay attention to what regular traditional stock markets are doing. Bitcoin dominance. I'm looking for a move out of Bitcoin based on this idea. So, I mean, it's been in this falling wedge for an extended period of time, and a break higher just means that we're looking for a move out of Bitcoin. Okay, it's not going to tell us the direction, but clearly a big move for Bitcoin is coming. So pay attention. I'm telling you, this is the timer. We talk about this is like a game on the clock with Bitcoin. And when the time runs out, you want to be in the right positions. Yeah, so the big thing right now, and it's just starting, and we nailed sand, we nailed mana, I was talking about metaverse before it was a thing, right? Just like we nailed the DeFi move when the DeFi hype cycle happened, right? NFTs, like we're really good on this channel of following the money flow. So just putting this out there, something to pay attention to. A lot of coins are pumping right now, and they're Web 3.0. Okay, so ATA was one that pumped. Obviously, it's already pumped. Now, if we go back here, I can show you. So the idea is Gitcoin and Mask, Ocean Protocol, Civic, Storage Golem, they're Web 3.0, right? And they're all green one day. And so this is what the herd latches onto, because this is all they understand. Where we have a huge advantage, we take profits. We understand following the money flow is important, but not falling in love with these projects. And so we're watching Web 3.0 going forward. Just put it on your radar. Pay attention to this. Now, this is Filecoin. It's a larger cap coin. It's Web 3.0. It's in a falling wedge, and it's running out of room. I mean, potentially you could still see another move to the downside before this thing breaks out. But I mean, there's a very high probability that this thing breaks out higher. It's always best to get in at the bottom of the falling wedge, like if you had bullish divergence or not. But I mean, you could see $80 out of Filecoin. Today's gem pick on Kucoin is ready to bang because they pivoted. This is VAIOT. And again, VAI is the ticker. They are hinting at some big news as far as a partnership with a massive metaverse project in the space. And they're looking for these metaverse projects to announce their meta agreements. This thing has tremendous amount of upside. Also, no brainer. It's developed in cooperation with IBM. So VAI, a ton of upside. Look at the chart. It looks crazy. Just starting to move right now. But you see, you've got rounded bottom, cup and handle, and then this is trying to go parabolic. Looking for 64 cents, 78 cents, 92 cents over time out of VAI. This thing is ready to bang. VAI, gem pick on Kucoin, massive price movement. Watch. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.